Hello, good morning class. How are you? I hope you are fine. In this video we discuss about problem number 10. See, first of all we read the problem. A joker cap is in the form of a right circular cone, okay, of the base radius is 7 centimeters. Base radius 7 centimeters, okay, and the height is 27 centimeter, but actually that is 24. Height is 24 centimeters, okay. Next, find the area of a sheet required to make 10 such caps, okay. First of all, you have to find for curved surface area of 1 cap, okay. Then after you have to multiply with 10, you get the answer, okay. Now, see here. What is it? It is 10th one, huh? Yes. It is given R is equal 7 centimeters, H is equal 24 centimeters. But what is the formula for curved surface area? That is 2 pi RL, na? So first of all you have to find L. Okay? L is equal what? Under root of H square plus R square. L is equal under root of H square, 24 whole square plus 7 square. So L is equal under root of 24, how much? 24 square, 576 plus 7 sevens are 49. How much you get? 576 plus 49, 625. So under root 625 is how much? 25 centimeters. So we have radius R, height is 24 and slant height is 25 centimeters. Now the CSA of a cone or joker cap. What is the formula? That is pi R L. Okay. Pi nothing but 22 by 7. What is the value of R? That is 7 into L is equal 25. 7 cancel. So 22 into 25 how much? That is 650 centimeter square. Okay, Rhoda. But this is only for one cap. So here how many caps are asking? Find the area of sheet required for making 10 such caps. So for 10 caps, that is 10 into 650, that is 6500 centimeters square is cap. This sheet is required for 10 such caps. How much centimeters sheet required? That is 6500 centimeters sheet is required. Okay, this is the 10th answer. In that one, first just you have to find the first you have to find slant height. Why? Because here the CSA of a joker cap is pi RL. We know the value of R, but we don't know the value of L, na? So first of all you have to find the slant height. What is the formula for slant height? That is H square plus R square. H nothing but 24 whole square, R nothing but 7. It is 7 square. 24 whole square 576. 7 square nothing but 49. So 576 plus 49, how much you get here? 625. So 625 is nothing but what? 25 square. 25 are 625. So the CSA of a joker cap is pi RL. 22 by 7 into 7, that is 25. 7 get cancelled, better you get 65. But is this is 650 is for only one cap. But we have to 10 caps now, so at the 10 you have to multiply with 10, you get the answer. Okay. Now next, second problem. That is 11th problem. First read the question. At least you have to draw the diagram. Already they given. Okay. Total diameter given, that is 5.2 meters and slant height also given 6.8 meters. Okay, here water drops. Okay, now here okay from tap. Okay, water is pouring. Okay, see here. Water is pouring into the canonical vessel as shown in the figure. Beta. Ee canonical figure lo water నింపుతున్నాను అన్న. Okay. Okay. At the rate of 1.8 meters square per meter. See beta, in 1 meter, how much volume will be in the water partunnado, that is 1.8 meter cube water. Okay. So how much will be taken to fill the vessel? So a vessel total fill up kavadaniki enta time padtadi nana. Okay. So what you have to find here? Just you have to find the volume. Then after remaining problem. Okay. Now first of all, next 11th problem. Diameter given are beta. First of all, right? Diameter of a cone. How much given? That is 5.2 meters. That is D is equal to how much? 5.2. But we want the radius now. So R is equal to what? D by 2. 5.2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 2 6 are. So 2.6 meters. Okay. Now we get radius. Then after what you have to find here? And one more given. That is slant height is 6.8 meters. Okay. So first of all, you have to find the volume of, height. We have to find height here. So the L square is equal to what? L square is equal to H square plus R square. Then H square is equal to what? L square minus R square. Okay. Just I want only H. So the square becomes root. H is equal to under root of L square minus R square. So here, what is the value of L? 6.8 whole square. What is the value of R? 2.6 whole square. So here 6.8. Okay. 6.8 is how much? That is under root of 46.24 minus 2.6, nothing but how much? This is 6.76. So 46 minus 24 minus 6.76 is how much? That is 39.48. So under root of 39.48 is how much? That is 6.28. That is approximately 6.3 meters. Okay, beta. See here, which is equal to what? L square minus R square. Okay. Now, what is the value of L here? 6.8 whole square minus same as it is. In place of what you have to write? 2.6 whole square. Now 6.8 whole square nothing but 46.26 minus 2.6 whole square nothing but 6.76. Now 46.24 minus 6.76 is how much? 39.48. So the 39.48 nothing but under root. That 6.28 approximately. How to take? 2 after 8 is enough. So I am taking 6.3 meters. Okay. Now next. We know the value of R and H. Okay. Now next, right, volume of a conical vessel. What is the formula for volume of a cone? That is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Okay. In this you have to substitute 2.6. Okay. Just remember that 2.6. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.6 into 2.6 into H is equal to how much? 6.3. Okay. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are. Okay. 7 ones are 7 threes are 0.3s are. So 22 into 2.6 into 2.6 into 0.3. How much you get here? That is total 44.616. Okay. Centimeter cube. Meter cube. Cubic meters. So this is the value. But what we have to find here? If 1.38 meter cube per 1 minute. Okay. So we are taking here 1.8 meter cube in 1 minute. So 44.616 meters cube in how many minutes? So you have to multiply, that is 44.616 by 1.8, that is 24.786 minutes. It will be completed. Approximately 25 minutes to it will be completed. Fill up this vessel. Okay, beta? Now next. See here. Up to here clear na beta? Here what we are? Find the rate of 1.8 meters per meter. 1.8 meter cube in 1 meter. 1 minute. 1 minute. So how much? 44.616 meters cube in how many minutes? Just you have to divide that. 44.616 by 1.8. You get 24.786, approximately 25 minutes. Okay, it will be filled up. Okay, now 12th problem. Two similar cones have the volume 12 pi cubic units and 96 pi cubic units. If the curved surface area of a smaller cone is 15 pi, and what is the curved surface area of larger cone? This problem for you homework. Okay, you homework cheyandi na. Okay, in this session this much enough. The exercise will completed. Okay, tomorrow I will explain about sphere and exercise 10.4, last exercise in this chapter. Okay, in this session this much enough. Thank you so much.